I'm Lauren Nagel with BonAppeteach.com. Today I've partnered with my friends here at Lynx to share an easy way that you can infuse smoke into your cocktails using the Lynx smoker box and wood chips. I'm going to walk you through the entire process today, start to finish, and we're going to make an incredible cocktail too. So if you have seen those fancy smoke-infused cocktails going across the internet or maybe at your favorite local watering hole, you can actually do this really well at home, and it can be pretty subtle too, and you don't need a special appliance. All you actually need is your Lynx smoker box today. I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. So Lynx offers 4 different types of wood chips, which I love. Today I'm going to be utilizing the pecan wood, but they also have an apple, which I think would be really great with brandy or bourbon-based cocktails. And then if you want a little more heavy smoke infusion, you can even go with their mesquite or their hickory as well. So what you're going to start with is just by adding the wood chips here, which I've already done, into the inside of your smoker box. We're just going to seal this closed, snap it shut, and get our grill ready for 2-zone cooking. We officially have our smoked ice ready to go, so let's make one of my favorite drinks. This is a riff on a classic Negroni. Today I'm making a smoked Negroni. So in place of standard gin, instead I'm going to be using a mezcal tequila, which is naturally smoky. And the reason why I like using this with the smoked ice is because as this ice dilutes, it's going to mix really well with the drink overall and not water it down. To make a Negroni, all you need to do is build the cocktail directly in the glass. So we're going to start with equal parts, 1 ounce of this mezcal tequila today. We're going to add in 1 ounce of sweet vermouth. And then we're going to finish off the whole cocktail with just another ounce of Campari. Once everything is inside the glass, just give it a quick stir with a bar spoon. A classic Negroni just uses an orange peel for a garnish, but today we're going to get a little extra and a little fancy, and I'm going to add one of these dehydrated oranges instead. And there you go, your smoked Negroni. So what's a good cocktail without a taste test? Cheers. Oh yeah, that's delicious. You get a subtle smokiness, a little bitterness from the Campari, and a little sweetness balanced out with a sweet vermouth. Overall, like I mentioned, this is just going to be a really great cocktail because that smokiness is subtle, and as that ice dilutes, it's just going to mix really well overall with this drink. Now, if you're not interested in being a mixologist in your own home, but you still want to impress your guests, I would say that this ice is going to pair really, really well with bourbon or whiskey. So if you enjoy sipping, do that, and I promise it will impress your guests. Thank you so much for joining me today. You can find this recipe and more recipes like it over on BonAppeteach.com. Cheers!